PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti protests against the Haidarpura encounter despite the clarification that was given from the police officials. And Mehbooba Mufti, in fact, has demanded apology from the Jammu and Kashmir Governor Manoj Sinha for the civilians that were killed in the encounter. This is the breaking update that we're getting of the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti. Let's listen in to what she had actually said about the encounter as well.
कश्मीर के लोगों से यूनिफाइड कमांड को माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी। देखिए, ये तो आपको पता है कि यहाँ तो इन्होंने जमहूरियत का जनाजा निकाल रखा है। यहाँ तो किसी को बात नहीं करने देते, किसी को प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करने देते हैं। यहाँ तो सारे दरवाजे इन्होंने बंद कर रखे हुए हैं। तो ये जो जुल्म सितम हो रहा है, इसके लिए इनको माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए। जो 3 लवाहिकीन, जो जिनके लवाहिकीन हैं, जो चाहे मुदस्सिर साहब थे, चाहे अल्ताफ़ साहब थे, चाहे आमिर मागरे है, वो बेगुनाह थे। उन पे इल्ज़ाम लगाया गया कि ये लोग जो हैं ये मिलिटेंट थे, ओवरग्राउंड मिलिटेंट थे, ये हाइब्रिड मिलिटेंट थे। वो इल्ज़ाम वापस लेना पड़ेगा और जुडिशल इंक्वायरी करके जो इसमें मुलविस है उनको सख्त से सख्त सज़ा दे के जो इसमें लोग हैं, एक तो उनको कंपनसेशन देना पड़ेगा और एलजी साहब को खुद माफ़ी मांगना पड़ेगा। ये तो कह रहे हैं कि 4 लोग वहाँ थे, एक मिलिटेंट था। तो हमें तो शक है, हमने तो मिलिटेंट की कोई लाश नहीं देखी, कोई शक्ल नहीं देखी, उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं देखा। क्या वाकई वहाँ मिलिटेंट था या इन्होंने वहाँ 3 खामा 3 जो है हमारे सिविलियन बेगुनाह उनको मार दिया, क्योंकि मिलिटेंट का कोई पता नहीं है। अब तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है, किसी को भी मार देते हैं। आपको मालूम होगा इससे पहले सोमू में एक नौजवान को मार दिया। उसके
सेंटर पे बंदे को मारा गया। फेक कॉल सेंटर पे क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए थी या
मैं कहती हूँ इसमें जुडिशल प्रोब होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इन तीनों लोगों को जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो एलिगेशन है, इनको शील्ड बना के इस्तेमाल किया गया कि उनको शक था वहाँ मिलिटेंट है, मगर मिलिटेंट वहाँ था कि नहीं, इस पे बहुत बड़ा सवालिया है।
Well, the PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti has done it once again. She questions the entire Haidarpura encounter and claims that there should be a judicial inquiry in it, and she also has demanded that all of the authorities must apologize for the same as well. I'm being joined by my colleague Zeenat on the broadcast. Zeenat, PDP chief does it once again. She also has now created this fear psychosis. She said maybe they were not even militants where the encounter had taken place. Were they civilians is something that she has said. And she's asked for a judicial probe into this entire matter as well. What more are you picking up on the same?
See, we don't need to jump the gun. Let's wait for the probe that will come out, as far as the LG has already ordered the magistral probe. So let's wait for the findings of the probe and also what the Jammu and Kashmir police will, the kind of evidences that they will put forward. Then as the questioning is already on, the statements of the eyewitnesses are being recorded. Meanwhile, we are also seeing the PDP chief. She hit the roads where she demands apology from the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and asks him to take the responsibility of the Haidarpura encounter, in which she alleges that they were the civilians. As far as the police reports suggest, they were the OJWs and one was the Pakistani terrorists. So we have been seeing that Miss Mufti had been doing in past. She has done it again, although the 2 bodies were returned to the concerned families. But now she questions as why the Amir family, the body was not returned, but Amir has already been tabled as Jammu Kashmir police has said that he was an OGW who was working on the behest of Pakistan here. So let's wait for the magistral probe findings, what the report will come. And police, as per my sources, they are quite confident the kind of encounter that happened in the Haidarpura uptown of Srinagar. But we are today again witness that the Mehbooba Mufti marching towards the Raj Bhavan, where she alleges that it is the fake encounter and the LG Manoj Sinha should take the responsibility for it. Although Mr. Manoj Sinha has already made it very clear that they won't allow any lives to lose. They are there to protect the lives of the civilians. But despite that, we are seeing the Miss Mufti doing the politics for the personal gains. But let's wait and watch how the magisterial probe will unfold, because LG has already said that government's every decision should serve people within reasonable time frame. So let's give some time to the UT administration. They have ordered the magisterial probe, although the other political parties, including Ms. Mufti, is demanding the judicial probe. But as of now, the magisterial probe is on as far as the Haidarpura encounter is concerned.